Hey there. Are you curious about the challenges that organizations face in maintaining fair workplaces? Today, we're diving into common pay equity compliance issues that many companies encounter. Pay equity is crucial for fostering equality and morale in the workplace, but maintaining compliance can be tricky. Understanding these issues will help organizations create fair compensation structures and avoid potential legal troubles. Let's explore some of these common hurdles together. Issue number one: inconsistent pay practice. One of the most prevalent compliance issues is inconsistent pay practices. Many companies unintentionally develop pay discrepancies due to differences in negotiation skills, favoritism, or outdated pay scale. These inconsistencies can lead to significant gaps between employees performing similar roles. To combat this, it's essential for organizations to conduct regular pay audits and establish clear guidelines for salary determination, ensuring everyone is compensated fairly based on their skills and contributions. Issue number two: lack of transparency. A lack of transparency in compensation can cause distrust among employees and obscure potential pay equity issues. When employees are unaware of how salaries are determined, disparities can go unnoticed until they become significant problems. Organizations should aim to create transparent compensation policies by openly sharing pay scales and criteria for raises or promotions. This openness helps employees understand how their efforts contribute to their compensation. Issue number three: non-compliance with laws. Navigating the complex landscape of pay equity laws presents another common challenge. Various jurisdictions have different regulations governing pay equity, such as the Equal Pay Act or specific state-level mandates. Companies must stay informed and compliant with these laws to avoid penalties and legal action. Regular legal reviews and consultations with employment law experts can ensure that all regulations are adhered to, reducing the risk of noncompliance. Issue number four: biased evaluation processes. Bias in performance evaluations and compensation decisions can also lead to pay equity issues. Subjective assessments may inadvertently favor certain groups, perpetuating existing wage gaps. Employers should implement standardized evaluation processes that focus on objective criteria and outcomes. Training managers and HR personnel on recognizing and mitigating bias is also crucial to fostering an equitable work. Addressing these common pay equity compliance issues is vital for cultivating a fair and inclusive work environment. By focusing on consistent pay practices, transparency, legal compliance, and unbiased evaluation processes, companies can make substantial strides toward achieving pay equity. Remember, fair compensation not only benefits employees, but also enhances organizational reputation and success. Let's work together to create workplaces where everyone is valued and fairly compensated for their contribution. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights into building equitable workplaces.